SMS-based mutation facilitation service that is being launched today will be a significant step forward in improving the way in which mutation matters are processed and in ensuring that the applicants are able to get mutation done with least hassle. A system for all land matters will be put in place. Together with a single window for partition and conversion, this new service for mutation will make North Goa district ready to give effect to that announcement, especially after the implementation of the e-district project of Government of Goa.
Be it a Mamlatdar office, be it a Deputy Collector office, or be it any higher office, should be reduced to the bare minimum. Now the public can easily avail of these benefits without contacting anybody, without getting harassed. This is the beginning. I do not know where they will end. On this occasion, I definitely feel that the vision of Honorable Prime Minister of Digital India will definitely be achieved in its holistic way in all the departments of the government of Goa. It is the only state, as you are aware, which has got a robust Goa broadband network.
न्ही हे जशें SMS जी पद्दत हाडल्या पळय तातूंत आतां लायन लावची गरज पडची ना आनी खंय खंय शिरकालां खंय अडकला खंयचो कागद कमी आसा हे सगळें ताका कळटलें त्यामुळे फावट मारची पडची ना आनी ताच्या बरोबर हाचे नंतर ऑफकोर्स त्यो हे करच्यो न्ही त्यो न्ही त्यो ह्याच लायनीर घालूंक जाय ह्याच ट्रॅकार घालूंक जाय
गरिबांक बाबड्यांक आजूय 2-2, 3-3 वर्सां रावंड मारचे पडटा थंयसर जायना फायली तश्यो दवरलेले आसा
त्यो हे ट्रॅकार घालच्यो पडटलो जाय इतलेंच ताचो नंबर दिवचो पडटलो फक्त ताणें आपलो फोन नंबर दिलो की जालो न्ही आनी ताका वतलें